Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will dive deeper into the Databricks Workspace and Notebook. If you haven't created a free Databricks account yet, or you are unsure how to start with the first notebook, you be sure to check my previous video where you can find the link in the comment section. It just take a few minutes to go through. Okay, let's start with the Workspace and Notebook in this video. The Workspace. This is the one of the feature of Databricks called Workspace. Here it help you to write your code and maintain your coding structure. Okay, to create, we can write it into the two space. Like it here we have the shared and we have the user. Suppose if you are working on one of the project and there you will get assigned, every developer get assigned one workspace, or you can say this Databricks workspace assigned to the team or project. So now inside that, you as a user, we can see here the user ID. Like if you are a user 123, so here you can see all the users available along with your that particular user IDs. Okay, so now we have the shared. So every user who has the access to that shared, who has access to the shared path. Okay, suppose if I am the part of that particular workspace, so yes, I have the access for that shared path, and if you have two also, you will also get the access of the shared path. So in this way this will work. So now let's start with creating the notebook. So you click on this create option. Here you can create it multiple. Okay, so let's me start with the folder. So let me start with Databricks or I can say give it to the notebook start and notebook underscore start. This is my folder name. Okay, yes, now I can see in home. Okay, inside the user, it's under user. Home is nothing but the user. Okay, so inside the user, this is I'm a user, the data engineering edge, and inside that I have created this notebook start function. Okay, so notebook start folder. So inside this folder, I can create one notebook. So yes, let's create a notebook called first notebook. First notebook. Okay, so now we have the notebook created. Now as we discussed in the previous video, we need to run this notebook, we want a cluster. Okay, we need a cluster. So let's start. I will create a one cluster. So if you are not aware how to create it, and so you can follow the same step, or you can just go back and check my previous video. So just to create, we can create on this compute or connect option. Post that, we can create, we can click on attach to compute resource, and as we are using Databricks community edition, we need to create a cluster every time. And if you are idle for some time like 2 hours, it will get terminated and you need to create a new one. So let me start with 13.3 LTS and let's create and attach run. So yes, meantime we'll explain you some other things. Like in notebook, we have the three to four option, right? We can consider Python as a major language, or SQL, Scala, or R. Okay, and if you want to go ahead with any one of this, you can directly select this. But if you are using Python and if you want to write a SQL query, in that case you need to write a %SQL, so which is nothing but the magic command. Okay, similarly for Scala and R. Hope you understand. And now here in the file section, we have the option for new notebook creation. If you have already existing notebook available in your system, and if you want to import it, okay, which is nothing in the DB format, so you can import it. You can create a new dashboard here with the using this notebook and something like that. Okay. Also, if you want to clone, rename, move, or delete, this is also available. And in export, you can export it into this format. So HTML, IPython notebook, and source file and DBC file. So DBC archive file is nothing but your Databricks format. Okay. So yes, then we have the edit formation like cut, copy, paste, delete, insert, cell, and all. So then yes, view and all. These are the, you can just go through it and you can explore how you can elaborate or how you can utilize all this. part. Now inside the run we have this option how you want to run, like run all, run particular single cell. If you want to run all above cell from particular cell, like if you are in cell number 3, so if you want to run all, so it will execute first and second. And if you want to go below, so it will start executing the cell 4, 5 and all below. And if you want to run the selected state, so you can just go ahead with clicking here, or you can just use these shortcuts. So hope you understand. Yes, so let's wait for some time to just start the cluster. So hello, welcome back again. After the cluster created, we can see now our compute is already up and running. Okay, so now let's go to the workspace and our created notebook. So workspace we have created inside the workspace user. Inside the user we have this data engineering age user. This is our notebook, and inside that we have our notebook connected. Okay, so now let's start with something importing, like, okay, so it's just a sample I'm trying to import. Okay, once it is imported, also we can start with writing some code, like let me just start with hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Okay, so if I can execute now, as I mentioned, if you can go to this run option, click on the run cell, it will only execute the one cell, right? So I can get the output now. Inside below that, let me execute one other cell, like let me add it in something numerical, like 5 plus 5. Okay, so here if I can execute, yes, we have the 10 as our output. Okay, so now also let me explain you. So inside the run, if you can just go to the clear option, and I'm just saying like clear all cell node output. Okay, so if I just click on this, yeah, so now I don't have any notebook cell output. So let me start with helping you with above and this. So if I executing run all above, so if you can see this cell only get executed. Okay. So now if I am at cell 2 again, and if I am going and running the cell below, it will execute the below one. Okay. The same and the below one. So hope you understand how the run all above and run sale works. Okay, so yes, and if you want to go and run all, so let me again go to the clear section. So I want to go to the clear state and output. So as soon as we are doing the clear state, it will clear all the variable declaration as well. Suppose here if you are doing like c is equals to 5 plus 5, and if you want to print c, so in that case it will print the value of the c. Okay, and it will not clear. Now it is clearing this variable declaration as well. Whatever the value is coming into C previously, it was now cleared. Okay, so now let me go back to the run option and do the run all. So run all. So now it will execute all the cells. See, yes. So yes, this is something about workspace and notebook and how we can execute this notebook. Okay, so hope you understand and hope you like this. So please like, subscribe, and comment if you want anything, and please subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'm hoping some support from you guys. Thank you for watching this video.